I know a lot of you have been seeing this kind of story channel on YouTube lately, and also on TikTok, Facebook, and also YouTube. A lot of people have been creating faceless video channel on YouTube and different social media platforms. And I have a couple of channels that I also create history videos on my channel. I know you all have been seeing this kind of videos, and all these videos are made with AI tools. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create a faceless YouTube channel video, which based on history channel. Maybe you wanted to talk about something that has happened in the past centuries, like 18, 17, 19, 1990s. You want to create story that has happened in the past. It's either a true life story or sci-fi story. So sci-fi story means story that never existed, while true life story means story that has happened in the past. So if you follow me from beginning of this video to the end, I'll be showing you step by step on how to create this kind of realistic history videos, and you can also monetize them on either YouTube or Facebook or TikTok. So follow me and I'll show you everything from beginning to the end. First thing, all we need to do is to just head over to our Grok. So on our Grok, we'll be generating everything from Naravox AI. So the first thing we need to do is to generate all our scripts from Naravox AI. Once you generate your script from Naravox AI will also give you the prompt to generate all the images. This is the Naravox AI, and you can see immediately I generate the story. Naravox AI will also give you the prompt to generate all the pictures, and you can turn them to video using Grok. So once you generate the script and also the prompt from Naravox AI, the next thing to do is to just head over to your Grok. As you can see on the screen, so I've already generated everything from the Naravox AI. Like, I've generated everything from Google FX Studio, which is I use Flow to generate all the images. Once you generate the images from Google Flow, then you save everything to your device, then you head over to Grok, then you start animate everything one by one to videos. So as you can see, you can follow the screen, and this is how I turn all the images to videos using Grok. So immediately I turn on the prompt to images on Google Flow. After that, I save all the images from Flow to my device. Then I head over to my Grok and I animate everything to video step by step using the same prompt that Naravox AI provide for me. After you animate everything to video, then you save everything to your device. Then the last part is putting everything together on CapCut. That is the last part when it comes to creating of history videos, channels, and all that. So make sure you follow me on the screen, and I'll show you everything step by step on how I made this kind of videos, how I was able to make this kind of video and post it on my channel. And the channel is only based on history channel. So as you can see, this is all the videos, and after I animate all the videos, I turn all the pictures to videos. So that means I animate it using the same prompt that Naravox AI provide for me. Then after that, then I'll save everything to my device, then head over to my CapCut and put everything together. Then boom, our story is ready. So follow me from beginning to the end, and you will see how I'm able to do this kind of thing and also create this kind of realistic video. So let's go.
We gathered Little did Samuel Maharero know, or would mark the beginning of a brutal chapter in Namibian history. As the leader of the Herero people, he had long witnessed the encroachment of German colonial forces, the encroachment of German colonial forces, who sought to exploit the land and its resources. Under the pretense of civilization and order, they had stripped the Herero of their land and dignity. On January 12, 1904, Samuel called upon his people to take a stand against oppression. Outraged, what followed was catastrophic. The German response was merciless. General Lothar von Trotha issued an extermination order, leading to one of the first genocides of the 20th century. Von Trotha issued an extermination order, leading to one of the first genocides of the 20th century. Thousands of Herero fled to the waterless Omaheke Desert, where many perished. To the stark reminder of this dark history is a testament to resilience in the face of colonial brutality, shaping Namibia's future and its quest for freedom. Little did Samuel freedom. Little did Samuel the encroachment of German colonial forces, who sought to exploit the land and its resources.